erases the look on their faces when they